Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ginger as hair mask remedy. Ginger and coconut oil. Ginger contains magnesium, potassium and vitamins which boost our hair growth and make hair stronger and healthier. It also cures dandruff and improve the blood circulation in our scalp. For that, you will need 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You can use any brand for coconut oil. Now, combine the ginger paste with the coconut oil. Mix the ginger paste properly using your fingertips into the coconut oil. Take sections of your hair and apply the paste into your scalp. Make sure you use your fingertips. Now massage your scalp for 5 minutes and leave it for 30 minutes in your scalp. You can wash your hair properly with the shampoo. You need to repeat this twice a week for better results. Ginger and onion hair mask. For that, you need an onion. Onion is a rich source of sulfur which stimulates our hair growth, nourishes hair follicles, and add volumes to your hair. Now, you need 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and 1 grated onion. I have used a grater. You can also use a mixture to make the paste. But make sure the paste is fine. Now you need a strainer and a bowl. You have to put the strainer on the bowl and put the grated ginger first on the strainer. Now add the onion paste on the strainer and squeeze the juice out into the bowl. Make sure you squeeze out as much as juice possible in the bowl. Once the juice is ready, use a cotton ball and dip the bowl into the juice. Remove the excess juice and dab it onto your scalp slowly, section-wise all over your hair. Repeat this thrice a week for better results. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.